Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the essential nutrients in right amounts. The different types of nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and roughage. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy-giving foods. They give us energy to work and play. We get carbohydrates from rice, potato, wheat, sugar, honey, glucose, etc. This kind of food gives energy instantly whenever the body needs it. Proteins. Foods rich in proteins are known as bodybuilding foods. Proteins help in growth and development of the body. They help to repair the damaged cells and build new cells. They are mainly found in foods like pulses, milk, cheese, egg, meat, fish, etc. Lack of proteins in the diet weakens muscles. Growing children need more proteins in their diet. Fats. Fats also give energy to the body. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. This energy can be stored in our body. In addition, they give heat or warmth to the body. We get fats from butter, oil, ghee, nuts, and red meat. Vitamins. Vitamins are known as protective food as they help to fight with disease and infections. They keep us hale and healthy. They keep our bones and teeth strong. We need vitamins for good eyesight, normal skin, and black hair. They are required in small quantities. They are found in fresh green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, and eggs. Minerals. Food rich in minerals are also called protective food. They help in the formation of bone, teeth, and blood. Calcium, phosphorus, iron, and iodine are some minerals required by our body. They are found in green vegetables, milk, eggs, salt, and fruits. Roughage. Roughage is a dietary fiber that cannot be digested properly. Roughage and water present in the food help in digestion and help in the process of excretion. Vegetables, fruits, and outer seed cover of cereals, grains are rich in roughage. Nutrient deficiency diseases. Diseases that are caused due to the lack of carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, or minerals in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to another. Deficiency of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's main energy sources. Lack of carbohydrates in the diet results in lack of energy and stamina. A laborer who does hard physical work needs more carbohydrates in his diet than a person who does his work sitting in his office. Deficiency of proteins. Deficiency of proteins leads to a disease called kwashiorkor. Deficiency of proteins along with carbohydrate deficiency is called protein energy malnutrition. It leads to marasmus. These diseases are more common in the children of rural areas. Symptoms of kwashiorkor. Number 1. Large pot-like belly. Number 2. Stunted growth. Number 3. Swelling of face and limbs. Number 4. Skin diseases. Number 5. Mental retardation. Number 6. Diarrhea. If the treatment is started in time, improving protein intake may correct this disease. Symptoms of marasmus. Number 1. A child suffering from marasmus become very thin. Number 2. Shows slow body growth. Number 3. Lack of energy. Number 4. Loss of appetite. Number 5. Weak legs. Number 6. Mental retardation. Number 7. Poor muscle development. Government of India has started programs such as the Integrated Child Development Scheme and the Midday Meal Scheme in schools. Vitamin deficiency diseases. Due to lack of vitamins in our diet, the following diseases are caused. Deficiency diseases as night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, and the symptoms are that the person cannot see in dim light or at night and can be cured by having milk, carrot, butter, curd, green leafy vegetables. Deficiency diseases as beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B, and the symptoms are that the person have loss of appetite, nervous disorder and weight loss, and can be cured by having cereals, pulses, nuts, milk, egg yolk and porridge. Deficiency diseases as rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D, and the symptoms are that the person have bow-shaped legs and can be cured by having milk, egg yolk and cod liver oil. Mineral deficiency diseases. Our body needs minerals in very small quantities. Their deficiency lead to many diseases as anemia and goiter. Anemia. It is caused due to the deficiency of iron in our body. Iron deficiency results in reduction of hemoglobin. As there is less hemoglobin, blood cannot carry enough oxygen. Anemic people become pale, lose appetite, and get tired very easily. Anemic person should take spinach, apple, guava, and banana. Goiter. It is caused due to deficiency of iodine in our diet. As a result, the thyroid gland located in our throat enlarges. Fish, seafood, and iodized salt should be consumed to prevent goiter.
Let's roll. Let's go. Let's roll. Let's go.